Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we're gonna do what we did a few days ago, where we sorted out all the best January deals, 30% and above, to sift through the minutia. And we're gonna do that with the parking lot sale. If you find this helpful or useful, please consider liking and/or subscribing and hyping. And please let me know how many free gifts you got. Hopefully, you got some. Maybe you're waiting to spend your week at Harbor Freight this coming week. And I will just mention briefly, there is limited quantities available for the first round of merch, HARBRO merch. Feel free to check it out in the description. I appreciate everybody. Let's jump in. Of course, we know 30% off Icon hammers, 30% off welders, 30% off jump starters, 35% off all matics, 40% off all paintbrushes and rollers. So we're going to go into everything else that's 30% or more, because since we review all the deals constantly, 30% and above is as good as it gets. Our rule of thumb in general is 15% and above. Bare minimum, 20%ish is okay. But anything that's 30% and above is an excellent deal. Let's go through funnel set, 4-piece, 98 cents, 45% off. Pittsburgh 18-inch telescoping magnet for $1.89, 52% off. Crazy deal. Hallmaster 5/8 inch by 3-inch hitch pin with clip, $1.94, 51% off. And these first maybe half are like the dollar days of the parking lot sale. Big discounts, low prices. So just so you have in mind which great deals, if you're going to go take advantage of some of these main deals, like picking up your Icon hammers, maybe there's smaller items that you can take advantage of. Next, Warrior Hex Shank Socket Driver Set 3-piece, $1.98, 66% off. Please note, if you're a HARBRO, you know this has been a free gift, just FYI. Magnetic Hook Set 4-pack for $279, 44% off. Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty high vis socket adapter set 4-piece, $292, 41% off. I believe this has also been a free gift. Grant's microfiber cleaning cloths 12 by 12 by 12 pack, $349, 41% off. Pittsburgh again, 6-inch double-edged wallboard saw, $394, 34% off, normally $6. Lifetime warranty, well-sized. Voyager's 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets, $396, normally $8, 50% off. Tools sold separately. Bunker Hill Security 1.5-inch keyed alike padlocks, 3-pack, $398, normally $6, 33% off. Pittsburgh 11-inch long reach pliers, but your choice: 90-degree bent nose, 45-degree bent nose, or the needle nose, $398, normally $6, 33% off. Bauer 4.5-inch by 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch Type 2742 metal cutoff wheels, 10-pack, $496, 37% off, normally $8. And then for the moving blanket bros, 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket, $498, normally $9, 44% off. We have Gum Out 16-ounce jet spray carb choke and parts cleaner. Choke and clean your parts, $498, 31% off, normally $729, and I do mean car parts. Pittsburgh 6.5-inch flush cut saw, $498, normally $9, 44% off. And we have Warrior. Not HARBROs. Some HARBROs I don't think are the biggest fan of Warrior. I don't blame them. Here we have the Warrior 5 TPI reciprocating saw pruning blades. I guess for pruning can't be too bad. Let me know, HARBROs, if you're using the Warrior blades for pruning. 5-pack, $498, normally $9, 44% off. Pruning seems relatively safe. Hardy 5mm nitrile powder-free gloves, 100-pack for $594. Your choice of green or blue. Multiple sizes, $594, normally $12, 50% off. And this is as good as it gets for these type of Hardy gloves. 50% off is the sale price. More Warrior oscillating multi-tool blade set, 3-piece, $596, 40% off, normally $10. Thunderbolt Edge Prime Power Alkaline Batteries, AA, AAA, 18-pack, your choice, $598, normally $9, 33% off. And these have gone on sale, I would say, a couple times throughout the year, and they have gone as high as 50% off. So 33% off is great, but just note, likely these will go 50% off in the future. Sorry, Vermont, not available there. Bunker Hill Security, 50 caliber ammo box for $5.98, normally $9, 33% off. Pittsburgh Universal Joint Socket Adapter Set 3-piece, $5.98 as well, normally $10, 40% off. The Armstrong 6-foot USB to USB-C braided charging cable, $6, normally $10, 40% off here compared to Anchor, which is great. More Pittsburgh 2-inch by 6.5 foot, 2,000-pound capacity web sling lifting sling, purple, $6.94, normally $10, 30% off. More Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 1/2-inch drive impact socket extension set, 4-piece, $7.96, normally $12, 33% off compared to Cobalt. And the Pittsburgh 3/8-inch drive quick release ratchet for $7.96, normally $12, 33% off compared to Husky. The Armstrong 17-inch to 42-inch swivel tilt TV wall mount, $7.96, normally $15, 46% off. The Braun 500 lumen professional swivel headlamp at $9.96, normally $15, 33% off. And Braun also is one of those that goes as high as 40% off during the big sales, but 33% off is really, really good. Warrior 3/16-inch to 1 3/8-inch number 4, number 5 titanium step drill bits, $9.96, normally $19, 47% off, but this was a free item recently as well. It was a hot free item, but here it is, 47% off, still at $10, so that means it was a good free item. Pittsburgh wobble socket extension set 9-piece, $9.89, normally $17, 41% off, lifetime guarantee. And then we have professional blue shop towels, 200 pack, $9.98, normally $15, well, normally $14.49, 31% off. Warrior 1500 watt 11 amp dual temperature heat gun, $9.98, $20, 50% off. And I think this also was one that was not, at least some HARBROs, not HARBRO approved. So again, let the HARBROs know what the deal is with this, because the deal 50% off is great, but tomato. Don't overcook your tomatoes compared to Black & Decker. More Warrior 6-inch, 9-inch general purpose bi-metal reciprocating saw blade set, 15-piece, $10, normally $15, 33% off compared to Diablo. Is that accurate? Because Diablo is amazing. Pittsburgh Pro Alert 1/2-inch drive, 25-inch breaker bar for $12, normally $18, 33% off compared to Tecton. Love to hear it, but is it real? HARBROs, let me know if you have this. More Warrior. This is the Warrior parking lot. A Warrior titanium drill bit set, 29-piece, $12, normally $20, 40% off compared to Hart. For the Tarp Bros, 11-foot by 19-foot heavy duty reflective all purpose weather resistant 9mm tarp, $15, 34% off, normally $23. We continue Vulcan. If you're getting one of the Vulcan welders, this is the E71 TGS flux core welding wire 2-pound roll, your choice of 0.030 or 0.035 inches, $15, normally $25, 40% off. We have Braun again, the 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable LED hanging shop light, $16, normally $23, 30% off. Link up to 8 lights, which is super cool. These, I do believe, have been as high as 40% off. 30% off, not a bad time to pick some up or pick some extra up to link to the other ones you might have. Merlin heavy duty air compressor accessory kit, 20-piece for $16. This is brand new, only $27, 40% off is nuts. More Merlin, the digital tire inflator for $17, 43% off, and only $30. Great deal. See these type of percentages off for Merlin. And then Quinn Alert bolt extractor set, the 3/8-inch socket set, 9-piece, $20, normally $30, 33% off, your choice of either SAE or metric. Excellent deal. And we have Apache 2800 weatherproof protective case. This is medium, available in 3 colors, $20, 33% off, normally $30, but Apache is one of those that for sure gets to 40% off. And if my memory serves me right, I want to say it's been as close to 50% off. But 40% off for sure will happen. 33% off is close though. And also still a great deal. Kenway 12-volt magnetic LED towing light kit, $23, 30% off, normally $33. Pittsburgh's brand new 2-inch by 20-foot, 4,000-pound capacity web lifting sling for $25. Only $38, 34% off. Excellent deal. Chicago Electric blue design auto darkening welding helmet, $30. It's only $45, 33% off. Great deal. These were on sale though recently for 40% off. Bauer 20 volt 3 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery, $30, 50% off. Crazy deal on their batteries. Normally $60 compared to Ryobi. Then we have Daytona 3-ton heavy duty ratcheting jack stands for $35. Available in purple now as well. Only $50, 30% off. Haven't seen it recently. Mentioned this last time. They do and they have gone down as low as $25, which is a good amount, 50% off essentially. But I haven't seen them down to $25 in a bit. So $35 is excellent deal still. But just FYI, we have an icon alert. Icon 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight, $35. Only $55, 36% off, and that's nuts for an icon item. I mean, I think there was a 40, what was the deal recently? 36% off though, is close. Avanti handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer, $38, normally $69.99, 45% off. These are the kind of deals that we see. These are the best sale on the Avantis. This is at $38. That's as close to the lowest price that it's been. And then Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity, 72-inch by 9-inch steel loading ramp, set of two, $58, 31% off, normally $85. I think we're going to get close to some honorable mentions. I think the worst deal in here is 28% off, but we'll get there. Bauer, the brand new 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute portable electric pressure washer, $69.99 is nice. $100, $30 off, 30% off exactly. Then we have Hercules Alert. Can't say I've seen people talking about this battery too much. Here's the 20 volt 5 amp hour lithium ion battery and the 4 amp charger starter kit, maybe because it comes with a charger. But it's $80, $40 off, 33% off on a Hercules battery and charger. Great deal. Apache again, the 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case, long, 3 colors, $95, $55 off is essentially, what is that? It's more than 33%, $55 off of $150, 37% off. Again, these might get 40% off during the year, but $55 is right there. Here's our first honorable mention. The US General Alert 30-inch one drawer service cart, available in 8 colors. It's $32 off of $130, which doesn't quite get us to 30% minimum. It's actually at 25%. But when they do the general US General sales, I think the highest I've seen them is 20 to 25% off. And so this is honorable mention. Not 30% quite, but 25% is pretty good if you're in the market. Next, Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump, $100. Normally $170, $70 off. This is not an honorable mention. This is just a deal. Almost 42% off, 41% off. The Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile floor jack. I do believe it's been lower, but this is still an excellent deal on a 3-ton floor jack. Next, Bauer 5 amp 9-inch variable speed drywall. I think this is an honorable mention. I can do the math in my head, but $50 from 170 gets us to 29.4%. So it was pretty close, almost 30%. So we rounded up. Honorable mention, $120, $50 off. Then we have the Daytona 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $130, $70 off of $200. Has us at 35%, which is a super solid deal. Super solid deal. Then we have the Atlas. I think this is an honorable mention too, because it doesn't go on sale all that often. The 80 volt 4 amp hour and 40 volt 8 amp hour extreme performance lithium ion battery, $180, $70 off, 70 off of $250, 28% exactly. So honorable mention to Atlas battery. And then we're rounding out the last few. Predator 2-inch 212cc gasoline engine semi-trash water pump, $200, $90 off. $90 off of $290 gets us 31%. So you qualify Predator, although there was a deal on water pumps recently higher than this, but still a good deal. And then rounding out the Predator 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator with remote start, CO secure, $300 off, $1,100. Now that doesn't quite meet the 30%. Let's verify. 27, 28%. Again, 28% almost is worth an honorable mention. And those are the best deals going on at the parking lot sale. Here in order for you from least expensive to some of the more expensive, but at 30% and above, you know you're going to get some of the best pricing on any of these items, and you can't necessarily go wrong. The only way you can go wrong and you want to find the best deals is you follow and you subscribe to the channel because sometimes they'll do flash sales, and those you don't have much notice at times before you go into the store. But anyways, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know again. I think this was useful last time. Hopefully it's useful now to help you visualize the parking lot sale, which ones are the best deals, not have to worry about anything that's not discounted appropriately. But again, I'll leave it at that. Good luck tomorrow and this week at your parking lot sale. Let me know your successes or what you're planning on getting. Check out the merch store. There's only like 42 hats left. 3 or 4 Harbros. There's like 5 or 6 Harbros who've already gone on the stickers and have already gone on the hats. So thank you to those who have gone on. Hopefully you like them. A couple are shipped. More shipping tomorrow. But either way, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.